appeal from the lower tribunal's judgment. Then the respondents equally cross appeal, but judgment has been delivered in respect of all the appeals before this court of appeal this afternoon. They allowed all the appeals filed by the governor-elect Senator Ademola Adeleke. He won his appeal. The PDP as a political party won his appeal. Yep. INEC as an appellant before this court of appeal won the appeal. So the totality of the appeal presented before the court of appeal herein have succeeded, and the court has affirmed that Senator Ademola Adeleke remains the governor of Osun State. They have the right to appeal to the Supreme Court, but as at this afternoon that I'm talking to you, the press, gentlemen of the press, the position is that Governor Senator Ademola Adeleke remains the valid governor of Osun State until they get to the Supreme Court, and we strongly believe that at the end of the day, we are going to record final and conclusive victory before the Supreme Court. We want to seize the opportunity to thank you most sincerely for your own contributions in a way that you are discharging information that is the correct position of the proceedings before the court to the generality of the public. God bless you all. Thank you.
For your dutiful coverage of these proceedings at the Court of Appeal. All of you have seen what happened today. This is a case of Daniel that has come to judgment. Of course, the judgment today manifests not only justice, but the scholastic content of the judgment is certainly going to be edifying, because certainly the legal profession is richer for the judgment delivered today. The innovative and revolutionary provisions of the Electoral Act have received judicial adjudication today by the judgment as delivered today. The innovations, or rather revolutionary innovations in the Electoral Act have received judicial determination today by the judgment delivered. Section 137 of the Electoral Act have received judicial determination today. Today, the legal profession is richer by this judgment as delivered, because it's going to be a beacon guide that will illuminate the path in the election petition tribunals that are now ongoing. Thank you very much.
Your name and designation?
My name is Henry Akunebu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Council representing INEC.
My name is Dr. Ademola Adeleke, the Osun State PDP chairman. We are happy today that eventually we are able to get justice. We have always believed that the justice given by the lower court is best described as a judicial abortion. What this means is justice, judicial miscarriage. The judgment today is in conformity with the expectation of our people. It has really confirmed that our governor, His Excellency Governor Ademola Adeleke, actually and really won the July 16 election. At this junction, we expect the outgoing governor, former Governor Oyetola, to call the governor and congratulate him, and equally advise him to bury the assets and join hands with our governor to move the state forward. We don't expect him to go further than this, because at various contestations that we have had since July 16th, July 25th, February 25th, and of course February 18th, we defeated APC in Osun State. Osun State is entirely PDP. We are proving it, and we have no doubt that at the end of the day, our mandate that will be freely given us to us today will be preserved to the benefit of the people of Osun State. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Akinde.
My learned brother said, Oyetola Abdulrashid is also here. That's Gomit and Abdulakim. Well, there are so many issues involved in this appeal. Some of the issues we won, a bit more of the issues we lost. Overall, we lost the appeal. But it's so interesting. We believe that as soon as we collect the various judgments, which are all more or less the same. By Monday, we would study the judgment and then make our decision. But it's most likely, because of the very interesting nature of the decisions made, that the matter will not end here. Thank you very much. Dr. Abiodun Layonu, SA. For Governor Oyetola and APC. I thank our entire legal team, especially our seniors, Prince Lateef Fagbemi and Chief Akilolu Olujimi SA. They are not here, and the rest of our legal team that worked very hard. I thank the media, for your fairness and objectivity. I appeal to all, as always, let matters be resolved judicially. Peace. That is what is important. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.